Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am unboxing a mechanical gaming keyboard. Comes from the Dr. Luxur. So let's do the unboxing of it. So let me check what we got inside the box. So firstly we got the keyboard here. The packaging is very good. So we got the bill inside the box and our user manual and a warranty card. It comes with 2 years warranty that we can register on the site. So this is the keyboard. I have purchased the wide variant of this keyboard. So it is also available in 2 colors, that is black and that is black and white. Let me know in the comment section how was the keyboard sound. So as you can see, it sounds very clicky and it is a blue switch keyboard. So tell me in the comment section how was the keyboard looking after turning off the lights. For changing the light mode, we have to press the function key and plus switch button, then we can change it. It is looking awesome with the lighting modes. It comes with 24 lighting modes, as you can see. And if you guys want the mouse review, let me know in the comment section. So as you can see, it is looking very good in the night. So let me check the durability of this keyboard. As you can see, it is very durable and there is no bump on the keyboard. I have seen many keyboards that there is found a bump. So let me do a typing test for you, but firstly I will talk about the pros and cons of this keyboard. So pros are, it is very durable and their lighting modes are good. It comes with LED lightings that works very good, and it also comes with anti-ghosting 26 keys, so nice. And the cons are, as you can see, the symbols of volume up and down and other functions. So you have to press down the function key plus the key which you want to work. And the second thing is, I have received a 2.0 USB Type-C that does not support my laptop because my laptop supports 3.0, so that's not totally work. I don't know it's the company fault or the anything, but the pricing of this keyboard is 1640 rupees, and I think in this range this is the best budget mechanical keyboard. If you go up in the range, so you can expect a wireless like in the range of 2500 or 2600 from other company. So these are the cons, and so let's start the typing test.
Stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
Okay, 34 word per minute. If you do the practice, you definitely sees the results and the increment in your typing speed. So let's do a game test. So I have opened redsort.io here. So let's check the response. So as you can check the response of the mouse, as it is a wireless mouse. If you guys want the review of the mouse, let me know in the comment section. And as you can see, the response is very good as it is a wired keyboard. I think, and I will suggest you that this is the best gaming keyboard in this budget range. So this was the game test. Let me know in the comment section how was the video is. I hope you liked the video. And that's all about today, and all set. Goodbye, take care.